Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today we're going to show you BMW 535 2014. We've installed the remote starter on this vehicle. We have here the Viper one-way system. So on the one-way system, we're going to tap on the start button once. The vehicle will receive the command. In a few seconds the car will start. The vehicle will be running for preset of time. In this case we have set up the system for 20 minutes of running. The key takeover on this vehicle is very simple. Unlock the doors with the factory remote. If you have a touch button, you just touch the door. Have sit inside the vehicle and press the brake and you can drive away. The remote starter for BMW and other vehicles is available at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.